Stop playing with my heart, look. Stop playing with my heart, look. Yeah, yeah, stop playing with my heart, look. Yeah, yeah.
Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know how to use Autotune like your favorite artist. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take a little bit effort, but this video is gonna put you on the correct track. I'm gonna walk you through the full process of how I learned how to use Autotune that got me to this point to where I can work with Bandlab, Antares, the people that created Autotune, Wave, Slate Digital, anybody that has an Autotune plugin, I'm tapped in. Because when it comes down to it, Autotune is only hard as you make it. A lot of people struggle with it, but I'm going to show you the best practices that'll help you get you past this struggling point. All I need for you to do is like the video. As every time you like the video and subscribe to the channel, it helps me afford more Prime. This is my favorite one. I love it. I love it. So all I need for you to do now is stick to the end of the video. And today I'm on the iPad with it. That's why I got the Apple Pen. You don't have to have a studio microphone. Using Autotune with the USB or Apple headphones, it still applies, right? Same things apply. Quality might be different of your overall vocal, but the Autotune stuff applies. When you import a beat into Bandlab, the key and the scale have to be the same as the beat. Lucky thing for you, Bandlab automatically finds the key and the scale for you. The beat that I put in here, which is called, what is it called? It's a Brent Fayez Chaser Cure type beat, 224 H times. So if you want to go get it, right? But here we go. That beat, I imported it, is A minor. So you click on this. If it happens to be wrong, which it is never wrong for me, you have to figure it out. All right, it's going to be chromatic, major, minor. There are free sites online that you can find the BPM and the key and the scale for, but Bandlab does that for you, right? You have the different scales up here. You have the different keys at the top. These are the keys, and at the bottom, these are the scales. Most of the scales that people are going to use are going to be major or minor, not major pentatonic or minor pentatonic unless that's what it's called for. Most beats are made in major and minor. That's used on YouTube within rap, R&B, plug and beat, trap, all that underground shit. And like pop is gonna be like more major because it's happy music, right? Country, it just depends. I would honestly say anything under 40 is gonna be for your natural tune. So anything under 40 is gonna be your natural tune. All right, that's the medium, that's gonna be natural here. And then anything from 40 to like 80, that's gonna be your heavy tune, right? That's gonna be there but not be as strong as the heaviest, right? Because me personally, when I use Autotune, I go all the way. I'll go all the way, no matter what. I'm at 100% of the time, right? That's just me. You might be a little bit different, but that's okay. Then, if you see over here, by auto pitch, we see the headphones, and those are selected. Those are highlighted. Hearing yourself while you record is a good recording technique. Some people will argue me in the comment sections, I don't have to hear myself. I keep recording over and over and over and over and over to try to get it to sound right. Well, maybe you can get it to sound right if you heard yourself. I don't like the sound of my voice. Nobody does. At the end of the day, majority of artists that go to professional studios are hearing themselves when they record. Then we move over here. We have classic, which is the iconic auto-tuned within Bandlab, right? No extra features going on. Next, we have big harmony. All right. I don't really like big harmony. I'm not a fan of these presets in here because we can't really control and blend them the way that we need to. It's like the effects are overpowering the auto-tune just overall. Like even with duet, like that's just overpowering that, right? That's what it's doing. Like that's just doing too much. Like robot, that's overpowering that, and then modern rap, that's overpowering that. We can't really get the tune. We're getting more effect over the tune. So be cautious when you use big harmony, duet, robot, and modern rap. For the people that just want clean auto-tune by itself, stick to classic. That's going to be your best friend. After we get that done, you need to have a simple tracking chain. Nothing too crazy, doing too much. You just need to be able to vibe out with the tune. I have a preset that I already made. It will be available for you in the description once this video hits 50 likes. If it has 50 likes, just check the description already. All right. So what we're going to do now, we see the tune tracking chain. The tune tracking chain is going to be very simple. Compression, the 2A, light compression to keep that back. Because if you don't vibe out with the auto tune, it's not going to vibe. Right? It's not going to sound good. If you don't say it a certain way, it's not going to sound good. You got to be able to control your voice. Go from different ranges. Say it a certain way. If you want the delay to hit a certain way, you say the word a certain way. So it sounds cool. So it's like, I'm going to show you and demonstrate how you could record to get the tune and hit the ways that you want it to go.
Yeah, yeah, stop playing with my heart, Lord. 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 Stop playing with my heart, Lord.
What you heard right there, that's me showing you what you can do with the tune. No preset change, no nothing changed, but yet the preset sounded differently according to how I perform, because it's just my voice. Your voice has to be there. So whether I'm doing the high pitched voice or the deep pitched voice, the key and the scale has to be there. It's the same preset.
Girl, I want you. Girl, I need you. Yeah. Girl, I want you and I need you. Girl, I need you. Yeah, stop playing with my heart, love. Stop playing with my heart, love. Yeah, stop playing with my heart, love. Yeah, stop playing with my heart, love. With my heart, love. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Stop playing with my heart, love. Yeah, yeah, 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 stop playing with my heart, Lord. Yeah, yeah, stop playing with my heart, Lord. Yeah, yeah.
The beautiful thing about using autotune is that it's fun to use. You can practice, you can get better at your vocal performances, deliveries, the energy, your breath control. Autotune is fun, right? That's why a lot of people hate it, because a lot of people just vibe out and have fun. That's why a lot of people hate me, honestly speaking, because I be having fun, like going crazy with autotune. They be like, you're using too much autotune. Shut up. This is my channel. If you want a channel where you don't use autotune or hear autotune so much, go to another channel. This channel is about autotune and recording with autotune and everything autotune related. You know what I'm saying? But this is the full walkthrough, best practices and tips and tricks on how you can use autotune. Take away what you need to take away from the video. Presets in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. And I'll see you in the next one.